Hey there, Yamina Hall here, and I want to welcome you to my personal branding series, guys. Now, thank you for watching. Now, my name is Yamina Hall, and I am a digital brand designer and video blogger. I help women build their impact, their income, and their online presence through social media marketing, guys. So, today's video is all about what is personal branding, right? Now, you may have heard about personal branding, you may not have heard about it. You may be wondering, what is personal branding? Okay, now for me, when I first got started in online, I didn't know anything about personal branding. It was all about, my company, my products. But as time went on, I learned about what personal branding was, guys. And personal branding is so important when you are building your business, whether you're online or offline. So you do need to build that personal brand. So today's video, I'm so excited about it because since I've ventured on personal branding, I really have been able to build my brand and help other people build their brands, as well as learn a lot about personal branding. So that's why I decided to do this video series, because there's a lot of people not really talking about it, or they may be talking about it, but they're not telling you how to do it, what it is exactly, and what you should be doing. So make sure that you continue to watch the rest of the videos in this video series, because I'm also going to be giving you some other tips on how you can build your brand, what you need to do, some other tips and tricks and things like that. So you want to make sure that you continue watching the rest of the videos in this series, as I will be adding more to this topic, as well as some other topics that I'm going to be doing. Okay, so enough rambling, let me get into the video. Okay, so what is personal branding? Now, I also have some notes, guys, because personal branding is very popular now. There's a lot of different information out there. So I'm going to give you what my version is, what personal branding is. Okay, so hopefully it's going to help you out. So what is personal branding? Okay, personal branding is your experience, your story, as well as your message that your business communicates to your audience. Okay, so personal branding also it tells the value of your business to help you attract clients and customers with the same values. Okay, so I hope you caught that. It also presents a visual design, everything you create for your business, from your website to your social media presence. Okay, so your brand has to be consistent across the board, from your website to your social media platforms. All right, and we're going to get more into this, so I'm just giving you a basic definition of what it is as far as business. Okay, and so your social media presence online. So if you have consistent branding, okay, you're seen as a more trustworthy business. Okay, if you have consistent branding, you're seen as a more trustworthy business, and you look more professional. Okay, so that is basically what branding is in a nutshell. So if you look at a lot of companies out here, for instance, Coca-Cola, right? We all know their brand. It's the red and white. Okay, Coca-Cola is supposed to be like this refreshing drink, and it tastes good and all of that stuff, right? Lexus has a brand out. What is their brand? Who are they trying to attract? Their brand messaging is basically trying to attract high-end quality clients who have professional. They're professionals. Maybe they work in a professional place. They're maybe, make a lot of money, and they want to look very elegant and very sophisticated, driving this Lexus car. So that's what I mean about the brand and the messaging for your brand, okay? And in later videos, we're going to get into some other things that's just going to bring all of this about. But today's video, guys, I just wanted to talk to you about what is branding. All right, so be sure that you watch the follow-up video to this, and we're going to get more into this personal branding series. It's going to be great. You're going to learn a lot of information. But as for now, I wanted to just give you the basics of what is branding. And if you have gotten any value from this video, guys, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share this out. Also, give this a thumbs up. Now, if you're watching this on Facebook, make sure you share this out, tag people in it, and also be sure to follow me so you can get notifications as well. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your notifications as well so you are notified when I have a new video up. All right, now with that being said, guys, make sure you stay tuned and watch the next videos in this video series. I also have a checklist that you can download. It's a branding checklist, okay? So there's a link in this video. Maybe it's in the description or down the bottom. It's somewhere here, depending on where you're watching it. But there is a link in the description for you to download your branding checklist. All right, guys? So with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.